If you want to earn from affiliate marketing, the biggest challenge is finding content that actually attracts buyers. Answer the Public can help you discover what people are searching for before they make a purchase. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Answer the Public for affiliate marketing step by step. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to start researching affiliate content ideas. Next, type a keyword related to a product or niche you want to promote. This could be anything like laptops, fitness equipment, software tools, or online services. Click Search and wait for the results to load. Answer the Public will show real search queries, including questions, comparisons, and reviews people are actively looking for. One of the most important things in affiliate marketing is buyer intent. Look for keywords that include words like best, review, V's, or which. These usually indicate someone is close to making a purchase. Next, check the questions section. These help you create informational content like guides, tutorials, and comparisons that attract potential buyers before they decide. Now explore comparisons and related searches. These are perfect for creating versus articles, product comparisons, and detailed review content. Start collecting high-intent keywords in a spreadsheet. Focus on ideas that can turn into reviews, buying guides, or comparison posts. Now turn your keywords into content like best product lists, honest reviews, and comparison articles. These types of content often convert well in affiliate marketing. Make sure your content is helpful, honest, and easy to read. Place affiliate links naturally inside your content where they add value, not just for promotion. And that's how to use Answer the Public for affiliate marketing. Yeah, when you focus on buyer intent keywords, you can create content that attracts traffic and generates income. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate journey.